Hey guys, so this is my first YouTube video. Can you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to comment when you're done watching this. So I already put some glue in here. Now I'm just going to mix it around. What you'll need is a bucket, some shaving cream, some dish soap, if you can see, then some laundry detergent, and some contact solution, and glue too. Can be any type of glue. I'm just going to start mixing what I have already in here.
Hey guys, Bubble is downstairs. Did he have an accident?
So then I'm going to add in some laundry detergent, dish soap I mean. There we go. That should be enough. Now you want to mix that in with this. It's already coming together. And after that, you want some laundry detergent. There we go. That's working now. And some shaving cream. I already put some glue in, so this should be good once I'm done. And let's not forget the contact solution. There we go. Now it's coming together. So after that, you'll want to start kneading it with your hands. So it'll start sticking. It should look like this when it's done. Be really gooey. You just want to keep mixing it and mixing it until it's done. Now I have some slime to play with. So thank you for watching. Can you hit that subscribe button one more time and give it a big thumbs up? Bye!